My name's Nicola S. Morgan and I'm the Managing Director of NSM Training and Consultancy. I'm also an educational consultant, teacher and author. I formed the business over 8 years ago, providing quality training, courses, consultancy, conferences and publications to the education sector, both nationally and internationally. My proudest moments have been the publication of over 10 books and countless articles, which has made the company an expert within the field. And consequently, the company has expanded quite considerably. So my biggest challenge to date has been the recruitment of trainers in order to fulfill this need. My marketing advice is based on Les Brown, motivational speaker from America, that said, "The best marketing is all about telling your story. And before people buy your product or service, they're asking themselves 3 questions. Question 1, who are you? Question 2, can I trust you? And question 3, why should I bother?" Now, if we can address those 3 questions, it's putting us streets ahead of the competition and also building up a really good client base. I feel that to be a successful business person, you need to be resilient in order to overcome all those obstacles. Also a creative thinker in order to step out of the box and be one step ahead of the competition. And finally, make sure you've got a really good cash flow coming in. If I was to choose a mentor, it would have to be Jack Canfield, successful entrepreneur, motivational speaker and author of the well-known series Chicken Soup for the Soul. I absolutely admire him for his values-based and also for his success. And fingers crossed, one day I'll get to meet him. My 3 business tips are: believe in yourself and just do it. The second one is set clear goals and revisit them every single day. And my third one is get it done. Don't overthink it, don't delay it, just get it done, and then you'll see the results flowing in.